If you line up mouse traps on a football field, some of you have heard this, it takes 976,000 mouse traps laid side by side to fill up a football field. 976,000 mouse traps. Cock each mouse trap. Put a ping pong ball on the mouse trap, on each one of them. Walk along the sidelines with one ping pong ball and go, throw it out there. That ping pong ball hits one mouse trap. Pop. Now there's two ping pong balls in the air, the one you threw out there and the one that was on the mouse trap that just popped. Those two hit two mouse traps. Pop, pop. Now there's four in the air. Pop, 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 pop. 16. 64. And you have what's called a cascade reaction. And this thing has a life of its own. That's what happens with gluten sensitivity. This thing has a life of its own.